Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. How are you? Windows 10's May 2020 update, also known as version 2004, was released to consumers and businesses on May 27. However, Windows May 10, 2020 update appears to be still blocked on a wide range of hardware, including Microsoft's own Surface products. A flawless Windows update is impossible, with millions of PCs packing different software, driver components, and other system tweaks. Microsoft's decision to halt updates may frustrate some people who are anxious to upgrade their PC, but this is for the greater good. If you really want the Windows May 10, 2020 update, and you've already updated all drivers but the update is still not available, let me share with you how to manually update by using Windows Update Assistant. First, use any search engine to search the Windows Update Assistant. Click on the link to access into Microsoft web page. Next, click on the Download the Update Assistant link. Click on the Update Now button to download the assistant. You may choose where to save the downloaded file. For me, I will put on desktop, because it is easy to reach later. This is the Windows Update Assistant that we just downloaded. Before we run the assistant, we need to remove OneDrive first. Search Add or Remove Program. Scroll and look for OneDrive. Then, uninstall it. Once the OneDrive is uninstalled, restart your PC. After your PC is restarted, you may start the Windows Update Assistant. In the Assistant windows, you may just click Next and wait for the update progress completed. Once completed, Windows will request for restart. It might take some time to restart your PC, so don't panic. You will prompt back to the similar login screen once the PC is ready. We end here today. If you found my video is helping, please support me by like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.